put the music a bit softer. Cool. Fortunate I can't keep track of this stuff now. Am I streaming? Oh, okay. Working. I think it's working. Hearing myself. Yeah, so like I lost the double monitor setup, unfortunately. But now I do have a much faster machine. So I think I'm actually gonna buy another monitor then. Maybe. I kind of forgot about that part. But yeah, we'll see it now. Like we'll start using the bot, because we'll build that thing, and the difference is massive. Basically, I just did a build and it was like 5 minutes doing the entire bot, and we spent like 2 hours waiting on it before, and it didn't even finish. So yeah, that's like immense, massive. Right, let's open up this, and I have a new webcam, so no more dark environment, and yeah, that's about it. So I can also look to the big screen now, so I can like look at, and the webcam is not down at me, but down like that. So I think it's a bit better. A better lighting too. It's a higher resolution. I'm not happy with the amount of lag it produces. Whatever. So actually we can see the difference now. Oh, I need to open the back screen. What am I doing? What am I doing? Fortunately, I can't hide the stuff anymore because I don't have double monitor, but I'll fix it later. I want to show this. So this is the CPU usage. Before it was like on 80%. Now we're barely touching 10%, running everything. And that's the difference with using a GPU for streaming instead of CPU. And also this machine is just faster. Like 40% faster or something ridiculous like that. Right. Can't hide this anymore. That's fine. So this is Hypernode. I also got my editor set up. This is the advantage of Nixels. I can easily change machines. So actually installing everything you're used to and setting it up in a day, I think it's pretty impressive considering the amount of customizations I'm using. When I was on Gen 2, it took me like 3 days to switch machines, and now I've nailed it down to 1 day. Including building the actual device, so it was actually half a day of configuring. And most of that was because I had to set up partitioning or whatever. Which I wrote in a blog post as well. But let's actually go to Hypernode. I'm gonna build on Hypernode because this is a small thing and I can finish it today easily. I wanna keep this stream really short because I'm tired. I woke up early today and the machine also arrived early, so I started working on that all day. And yeah, that's what I've been doing. Busy day. And I need to delete that file. So there's like a X file, and it like keeps asking me if I want to evaluate it because it could be a virus or whatever. So it's like trying to be secure. Now I have this idea in my head. I want to know how many people are watching, but I can't because unfortunately. Oh, I forgot to open Jetty. What the hell? Well, I can't because I don't have the double monitor, unfortunately. So yeah. The only thing I have a chat then. I didn't even download Chatty. Fool I am. What a fool. We can try Chatterino. Chatterino. Last time I tried that, it didn't install, I think. I need to make it log in or whatever. Not good. So I already started the stream. Okay, maybe I'll leave. I kind of need you. I'm gonna just install it, if it works. So, right, I need to make that file. I keep trying to jump to this bookmark here. It says it's bookmarked it, but it didn't do that because the file doesn't exist bookmarking. So it wants to write to a file, but it doesn't know where it is. I think the quickest way of figuring. I just need to make that fall, and then it's so stupid. Now it'll do it. Try and go again. It didn't work before. How it works. Right, so the thing I did was just basically copying over this config, and that's the inside. And Nixos does everything for the installation. That's the big advantage of using Nix. You can easily share configuration and composable and whatever. So yeah, and like it installs everything I use. Everything. Oh, yes, green key. Well, don't use it. Delete it. skybro000. It's also like deletion. Stops, blah 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 blah. Plan to UML, even plan to UML. A rare case I use plan to. But yeah, everything gets installed for me, and I don't have to think about installing anything. That's so nice. It's like the biggest advantage of using track of what I have. I've been doing very diligently. Yeah. For occasions like this, when I need to switch. I'm not sure if it worked. No, I don't want to quit. I don't want. Like I blocked websites, so not get distracted while. I want to keep those. Yeah. And I want to install Tetrino. Then again, we could like look in the bot logs if edit or whatever. I think last time I tried this, it didn't work. Doesn't know. Well, like everything is faster now, also switching. But doesn't know about it. Right, package. I have that. So, like another thing I'm doing is I'm using branches to track my configuration. It's actually what branches are for. Separate running versions of your code base. Like some of these will never be merged, and some pieces will be. Like it allows you to have running configurations that are different from each other. So you get this weird setup, right, where things are in here and not. It's no longer like kind of in parallel. I can't even do that anymore. What the hell? Like I wanted to disable the audio for pouring the water. I'll just do it there or something. Ah. So many things to do. It surprised me how long it took to just assemble the computer. And again, I have like no experience with it. I thought it would be like half an hour, but it took me like 3 hours. Yeah, I want to look up packages and stable. I think I even moved it out or something. So none of that in like all. Maybe we'll move it up as well. Funny in a way. That works. Like this all already works. That's so nice. All my jump around stuff. Let's move it up. Yeah, let's move it up. Pick the latest version up. Stream is gonna be probably about me just installing random shit because did I even call it Haskell? me installing random shit because. But we're gonna do Haskell. Sure. I'm gonna finish that issue after I get my chat back. Cool I am. Then again, like, there's a lot of stuff involved to get this Twitch shit set up. For example, like I have a list, right? This is all the things I need to do to get a stream up, and it's easy to forget one of these. That's what happened. Actually, a couple of these will be gone now. Like, plugging a microphone network cable no longer necessary because I have a machine that will be on the same place. So that's excellent. Where's my art? Where's my art? What the hell? Why is his face visible? I think his face is all. Oh, I didn't even do the thing. There you go. Now it's like getting in the unstable chatter. I think this is the last time why I didn't do it. I think it didn't install. I wanna have a good one though. I'm kind of sick of chatty. Upgrade everything. All the things. Yeah. The last thing I need to do is get another monitor. But that should be trivial. Get a crappy one. Stupid graphics card actually supports up to 4 monitors. Dang. Why would you want that? You have space for that. Crazy. More monitors means more speed. I can program faster if I have more monitors. Everyone. What's this? Alright, I think Haskell programs installed through Haskell. Kind of like pip. We need to switch branches. So we're gonna do this one. So we made a database instance for that track. Yeah, I think I need to do this uptrack. Then why did I do that? Let's try it again. Clean up as well. Unfortunately, my shortcuts. Oh, it worked. Nothing's happening. Katarina. Wants to know XP. I remember this. This is why it didn't go to it never booted. That's the problem. What the fuck? Next. Okay, we're not gonna do this, I think. I think I need to... Fuck. I think they actually need to like update the expressions themselves, so I can't really do this. How Nix works. I think. Maybe I can pull it into path. do that. Just get the crappy one then. Beautiful. Get the crappy one because then get it to work quickly. Fix Chatterino. I don't know why it doesn't work. Chatterino. Mix up. CD. Nobody knows. Maybe if I'll build it from source, it just works. No, probably not. You don't even have a Nix file. What the hell, man? I don't know why. They have a Nix package for it, but it still doesn't work. That's Linux. Linux is not Nix. What are you talking about? QTXE. Fuck. Just use the crappy one, okay? What's the crappy one? Jar first. Yes, give me jars. Run the shit right. Oh, you're already done. Can Java read jars? Alright, I don't have to. In zip files? I'm gonna find out. Probably doesn't exist or something. Maybe I've never encountered any zips before. Like that extract thing is like a wrapper around shell scripts to basically extract anything. Really handy because you don't want to like learn all the different ways of 7Z and RGZ or whatever. How would you? Someone else already wrote away for me. By default, it's a crappy light team. Oh, it works like that. I can do it on. Nice. Let's just play.